As a little kid, you dream about games like this. You dream about opportunities like this. And we take this field, man, for 4 quarters. Give them everything they can handle.
We the best, nothing less on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We the best.
Nothing less. Oh, boy. Hey, that's going to be on bloopers. Oh, they take. Let's do it. There you go. Here comes Tyler Hunter at the far sideline. Touchdown. Seahawks end around. They're going to run a fake. It's right up the middle. It goes to Albert Wilson, 30. Gets a block. A 55-yard fake punt. No more gimmicks. No more gimmicks. Let's go.
Pick your spirits up. Body language. Come on, baby. Come on, man. Stop me up, man. Come on.
I was like, said, huh, 180s. 180s up. And you like kind of went.
I wasn't that smooth. You held it.
Yeah, I definitely. Yeah, it was fine.
No, it wasn't.
Hey.
Bye, professor.
They're coming. They're coming.
Against his body, and the pass is intercepted with the football. The Steelers have it.
We're going to call every ticky-tack thing, but let's get ours too now. The guy just held our receiver coming out of his break.
That wasn't PI right there at 11, but we had offensive PI over there.
Then he pushed up and separated over there, clearly.
Come on now.
It was the best call I made all year long.
You
Seriously.
think that's your best call?
All right, well,
No, seriously.
Good job. Good job.
Going in, we're going in. We're going in. Here it goes.
Go for the end zone.
In the gun goes Taylor. Irvin around the edge. They push him upfield. Matt Galvin from behind. He slips out. The ball's free. And rips out to take the game for the Raiders.
Man, boy, I better recognize.
Ryan from the pocket. Touchdown, Atlanta. Atlanta in front of point, 28-27.
They got to go for 2 again here now. This is one they definitely need to convert on here.
This could be returned for 2. It would give Kansas City the lead. It's Eric Berry, born and bred in Atlanta, Georgia, and now he goes the distance. It is a 2-point conversion the other way for Kansas City. Another terrific victory in this magical, incredible 2016 season.
How about the governor of Georgia right here, man?
So long as we just keep putting effort together with preparation, this football team can be special. Let's just keep stacking wins together.
That's a hell of a win. It might be my favorite win out of the 11 we've had this year.
One little Chiefs for us right here. How about those?